What if you woke up one morning and realized there were no cars, no engines, no traffic lights, just the clip-clop of horses, the ring of a bike bell, and fresh lake air filling your lungs? Welcome to Mackinac Island, the one U.S. town where cars are banned. And trust me, you'll want to move here. This island sits in the blue waters between Michigan's upper and lower peninsulas. It's small, just 8 miles around, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in magic. No cars, no rush hour, just people, bikes, and horse-drawn carriages, founded in the 1700s. Mackinac Island has protected its peaceful rhythm for more than a century. It all started in 1898, when the island saw its first horseless carriage. Locals were curious until the noise spooked the horses and chaos broke out downtown. That very day, the council voted to ban all automobiles, and the rule still stands. More than 120 years later, Mackinac remains one of the last car-free communities in America. Life here moves at a different pace. You'll ride a bike to work, wave to your neighbor from a carriage, and greet visitors off the ferry. Deliveries arrive by wagon, ice cream melts slower, and conversations last longer. The air feels cleaner, the silence richer. It's a throwback, but somehow it feels like the future. So why do people fall in love with Mackinac? Maybe it's the peace, maybe it's the safety. No rush hour, no honking, no stress. Just a slower rhythm, one we've all forgotten. Could you trade convenience for calm? Beat. Let me know in the comments. I'm honestly curious. This is Mackinac Island, America's timeless escape from traffic and noise. If you love discovering this hidden corner of the US, give this video a like, subscribe for more offbeat travel finds, and tell me, where should we go next? Until then, keep wandering and keep discovering.